Be careful. Cut it some more.
Ay, same sila ng size ng ano nito. Check muna. Sa eyelashes. Kapagin pa lang nito sa mga. Ay, ay. What's that?
I'm opening it by myself.
Cut it some more here. No, here. Cut it some more here.
Side.
No, here. Okay. Carefully, please.
Papa, that's a secret one. Papa, I thought from here, but I did put in a hole.
Mm-hmm.
The vacuum.
Yes.
Mm.
Take your time. Be careful. Uy!
Ow. Ow, yeah.
It was missed.
Do you need help?
Ano ba ito?
Mine.
Ay, sorry. Magkano ito? Oh. Talaga? Totoo mo? Wow, that's nice. I think pwede ka pala ready pa ha. Sabihin ko sa kanya. Bilang ito na ano.
Yeah, you're so clever. You really watch when mommy opens her packages. I think that's enough. You can pull it open. Stand it up. Other side. Here, other side pa. Oh yeah, okay. Sorry. Take your time. Hey, not that way. Cutting always. There, cutting always. Careful. Okay, let's try it now. Try to put it open now. Wait, careful. enough na. Try to put it open. Use your superpower. See? You cut it so well.
Oh, it's a blue one.
Yeah, actually, it only comes in blue.
Papa, happy.
Okay, pull it sideways. Okay, that's another way.
It looks like I'm building my snowman. Ow. I bumped my mom.
We bought a toy vacuum, remember, Cube? And the toy vacuum that makes a sound and has flashing lights and has music. It's more expensive than this real vacuum that's so awesome.
Papa, is it the same?
Yeah, it's similar to Mama's gift to you, the real vacuum, which costs as much as your toy vacuum. Look for the hole where it matches. Correct. I think that's correct. Mm, careful, don't force it.
I'm not.
Here. See the line and see the line there? Here, I'll show you. You lost interest? Okay. So there it is. This is first. This is her own vacuum. So that's her own vacuum. So now she gets to vacuum her own play area, which she calls her bay.
Now can I see it? I want to see it.
So this is her second vacuum. This is a gift, a real vacuum gift to the little one, and we got our own.